A story is important because it's the most natural way for human brain to process the information. A good storyline presents the information in a more digestible and memorable way, therefore helps you to differentiate from another startup.
There are three main points that can define a good storyline. The first one is clear and concise points that you make to be easily understood. The second point is a logical flow, so that it's memorable and relatable for the audience. And the third one is a delivery. Presenter must be energetic, inspiring for the audience. A good presentation is fit for the context of the pitch. Has to start with a catchy beginning to hook the audience in, continue with an insightful body to answer key questions the audience might have, and end with a call for action. One good way to introduce such a storyline is the situation complication resolution framework.
Within the structure, you start by convincing the audience that under the current situation, target customer faces a problem that is worth solving. Anecdotes or real-life examples is a good way to make it more tangible. Then continue by presenting a solution to this problem in a simple and understandable way, and illustrate the benefits of the solution. Important thing to remember is to illustrate the match between the problem and the solution. This will create a structure and ensure the flow of the presentation.
A large part of it is in the preparation. The presenter should rehearse quite many times before stepping on the stage, and filming yourself is a good way to understand how your messages come across. Second part is right before stepping on stage, ensure that you're present. Take a few minutes just to relax and get your thoughts together and push back any irrelevant thoughts that you may have so that you can truly be in the moment on the stage.
Yes, and while presenting, make a good use of body language. Keep a good eye contact with the audience. Remove any unnecessary distractions such as moving unnecessarily back and forth, and enhance the key points with the use of your hands. Finally, to truly win your audience, think of the vision that brought you on stage. Your message will be much more impactful if it comes with a why you do what you do and why it matters. First thing is clarity. You need to present your idea in an easy to understand way. Not all the investors are experts in the field that you belong to. Second is a convincing and attractive value proposition for a defined customer segment.
And the third part is the investor value proposition. And these expectations might differ a little bit depending on the maturity of the startup. But there are two key points. First is the business potential. Demonstrate that there's a market that you're able to scale and what KPIs are important to reach. The second part is the feasibility of your project and of your company. Show that you know what needs to be done, how to get there, and have a clear plan in mind.
Main thing that startup needs to prove is a customer interest. This could be done through illustrating the early traction, which is shown in the results of customer interviews, surveys, or, for example, a Kickstarter campaign. Second thing is a capable team. You need to show that the team has all the necessary skills and competences to concretize the idea and take it forward.
And you need to link the skills to the reality. So build a roadmap. Know everything that it takes and the key milestones to reach the product or service development. Know all the requirements for the operations to be set up. Be aware of all the risk and plan mitigating actions into a roadmap to make sure that you can ensure the progress.
Internal startups within an accelerator or incubator program is a powerful way to drive growth and innovation. There are, of course, other ways, such as hackathons. Based on our experience, the benefits of an accelerator program are quite apparent. First of all, those help to test the opportunities and reduce the uncertainty about the business idea before investing into them in scale. Second, the program of such kind can help to fill the market gap, therefore making your portfolio of products and solutions much more complete and drive customer satisfaction. Finally, It helps to build entrepreneurial and innovation culture and empower your people.
The corporations must understand that this is quite a shift from the traditional corporate mentality. Corporations usually apply inside-out perspectives, while these incubator programs imply completely different outside-in perspective. So the fail-fast mentality must be implemented so that solutions can be pivoted quickly. So that implies that corporations must start working with design thinking, lean principles, and agility, and leverage all of the expertise within the organization and across the units. The second part is the customer involvement. That is absolutely key to make sure that the new solutions will fit the needs of the market. So customers must be involved throughout all the phases of the development. And lastly, the solutions that will be developed will have immediate benefit. But this is also a long-term investment into the skills, the capabilities, and the people of the corporations.